Daniel Pearl, South Asia Bureau Chief of the Wall Street Journal, was murdered on 1st of November in Ahmedabad area of this port city. US Embassy in Islamabad has taken to the Twitter to hold, "We will not forget Daniel Pearl. On this day in 2002, he was murdered by terrorists while pursuing a story in Pakistan. Today, we remember his legacy as we continue to speak out against extremism." The United States is committed to securing justice for Daniel Pearl's family and to holding those who murdered him 19 years ago accountable. Meanwhile, Supreme Court of Pakistan ordered release of British-born Ahmed Umar Saeed Sheikh and 3 others accused of involvement in the kidnapping and murder of Daniel Pearl. Daniel Pearl was a talented writer who was adept enough with the written words to make a living in the top ranks of journalism. But it was in music that he found an essential form of expression. A talented violinist, fiddler, and mandolin player, Danny kept passion for music ignited throughout his career. During numerous postings all over the world, he joined town bands, orchestras, and chamber groups. Consequently, he left behind a long trail of musician friends in cities across the world. After his death, Daniel Pearl's family chose music to celebrate the ideals of tolerance, friendship, and shared humanity. They formed a foundation to further the ideals that inspired Danny's life and work. Spotlight his love of music to build bridges and create friendship.